This week's giant to inspire you is French artist Georges Rouault. Georges Rouault was a French master, printmaker, ceramist, and stained glass maker who lived between the years 1871 to 1958 in Paris. Rouault is often associated with Fauvism, which is characterized by wild brushwork and strong colors, while the subject matters are very simplified. He studied under Gustave Moreau and later became the curator of Moreau Museum. Him and Matisse were among the students of Gustave Moreau. Rouault's earlier paintings were mainly images of prostitutes and clowns, but later on he began to work religious subject matters. During his youth, he began to create glass paintings, and that's probably what influenced him the most in creating the images that are very recognizable for the thick black brushstrokes that outline the subject, resembling decorative glassworks. Rouault's style is unique in using wild brushwork and strong colors. Human nature is always the focus of Rouault's interest. To him, a tree against the sky possesses the same interest, the same character, the same expression as a human figure. Near the end of his life, Rouault burned about 300 of his paintings that would be estimated at today's prices of his work around 500 million francs.